Oh, I should have closed the window. Oh, I don't know what it's like during the summer with hay fever. Completely forgot. It's like 3 a.m. and I'm after waking up because of my hay fever. It's so annoying. Oh, I feel so bad. It really feels. I was so tired. I don't want to wake anyone up. If I get up to close the window. Oh god, I feel so bad. Oh, my nose is so itchy. I'm so tired. Just I want to stop. It feels so bad. My hands are so watery. I can't help it. I don't know what I should do. I'm afraid to get up in case I wake anyone else up because it's like 3 a.m. but I have to work tomorrow, so if I just keep sneezing, am I going to wake someone up then either? It's not fair. Makes me feel so bad. Oh, God. I wish I could stop it. I would do anything to be able to stop this. No one knows how bad hay fever is, how itchy my nose is right now. God, I always feel like I have it under control, and then something like this happens. Okay, see, I don't have it. All I could. It makes me feel so lightheaded. I can't stop it. Oh God. I feel so bad. It was so itchy. It's all I can think about. It's how bad I feel right now. Because I can't do anything to stop it. No matter what I do, it just keeps going. I wish there was something else I could try. It's so hard. feel like I'm never gonna be able to stop. Oh. I hate this so much. It hurts. I feel so bad. I don't know what to do. Everything, my whole face hurts. All I can think about is how much I need to sneeze. I wish there was something I could do to stop. I don't think I'm going to get any sleep tonight. I wish. It just feels so bad. Oh, God. Tried everything I can think of to stop this. None of the meds work. Nothing. I just feel so bad. I wish I could sleep. I need to sneeze all the time. Not again.